Hello students, welcome back to class 6 social study part geography part chapter 5 major domains of the earth or major space of the earth. Children, let us memorize what we have learned in this lesson in our previous class. We have learned already which are the major domains or which are the major space of the earth. They are the lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. You know that already these are the major domains of the earth. In our last class we have discussed about the first topic, that is lithosphere. And the lithosphere is also called as a crust. It is a outermost part of the earth. And lithosphere contains two divisions. They are continent and oceans. Continents are nothing but the huge land mass of the earth, and water bodies of the earth, they are called oceans. So we discussed this topic in our last class, and we have been discussing the topic, we have been discussing the topic, that is lithosphere. Continue. So today the continue part of this topic, the lithosphere again. And in the lithosphere, today let us discuss the topic, the continents in detail. That means the one by one we are going to discuss about the one by one continent detail in today's lesson. So now let us go to discuss each continent in detail one by one. Children, now let us discuss each continent in detail. That is first continent, that is Asia. Children, Asia is the largest continent on the earth. Asia is the largest continent on the earth, and it covered the area 1/3 of the earth's surface. It covered how much area? 1/3 of the earth surface, and it lies eastern hemisphere and northern hemisphere. Look at the picture, children. Here the Asia continent. Here this part to this part. Already you know the children map. Here this part to this part. This is the continent of Asia. Look at children once again. And in this continent, this is largest country. That is Russia is the largest country of Asia, and it lies in northern hemisphere. This is the northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. It covered how much area? I already told you, 1/3 of the earth's surface. It covered area. And in this continent we can see the many countries comes in Asia continent, and Russia is the largest country in Asia, and many other countries are there. Already you know that approximate near 50 countries are there in the Asia continent. Let us see the next feature of this continent. Children, here this Asia continent is home of the half of the world population. The Asia continent is the home of the half of the world population. That means the population is very high in this continent because of the world largest population country, China, comes in this continent, and as well as second highest population country, India, comes in this continent. That's why it is called as a home of the world half population continent, Asia. And next feature is in this continent a number of highest peaks of the world lie in Asia. That means the many peaks comes in this continent, highest peaks, such as the Mount Everest peak is the highest peaks in the world. Mount Everest peaks is the highest peaks, and that comes in Asia continent. The height of Mount Everest peaks is 8,848 meter. The height here mentioned 8,848 meter is the height of the Mount Everest peaks. The Mount Everest peaks is a mountain peak. Mount Everest peak is the mountain peak that located in the Himalaya range. And lies between the border lies between the border of Nepal and Tibet. Nepal and Tibet. That Mount Everest comes here, children. Here, this is the border between the Nepal and Tibet. Here, you can see in the map Nepal and Tibet country, and between here in this side that the Mount Everest is located. And this Mount Everest peak, it has two routes. Two routes means two climbing routes. It has the two climbing routes. One is southeast ridge from Nepal, and another one is northeast ridge from Tibet. And many persons are climbed these peaks and made the record. Among them the Edmund Hillary of New Zealand country, and Tenzing Norgay Sherpa of Nepal country. They were the first men to climb this peak, Mount Everest peak, in the year 1953 and 29th May. And afterwards, many persons have climbed this Mount Everest and made the record. And let us see the next feature of this continent. This continent, Asia continent, is surrounded by oceans, mountains, and river. Where you can see here, this Asia continent is surrounded by the oceans. See children, here all sides oceans here. The south part of ocean content surrounded Indian Ocean, east part Pacific Ocean, and north side Arctic Ocean. So like, and if we see in the western side, here we can see here the Ural mountains. This is the Ural mountain, children. Ural mountains and Ural rivers are bounded in this continent, and these Ural mountains and Ural rivers are considered as natural boundaries between the Asia and Europe. I repeat once again, the Ural mountains and Ural rivers, these are considered as natural border between the Europe and Asia. And also similarly, the landmass between the Europe and Asia, is called as Eurasia. And which are the latitudes passed through this continent? Here the latitude 0 degree latitude and 23.5 degree latitude, that is Tropic of Cancer. These two latitudes pass through this continent. Remember this children, which are the latitudes pass through the Asia continent. See here children, here the 0 degree latitude, here comes the 0 degree latitude. This is the 0 degree latitude pass through the Asia continent, and also similarly 23.5, this is the Tropic of Cancer pass through the Asia continent. So these are the main features. Of Asia continent. Now let us go to the next topic, that is Africa continent. Children, Africa is the second largest continent in the world. Remember this, Africa is the second largest continent in the world. And first, once again, see the where comes the Africa continent. This is the Africa continent. Children, look at the map. This part is the Africa continent. And in this continent, there are many countries are there. The main countries of this continent. Look at children here: Algeria, Libya, Egypt, Sudan, Chad, Niger, Mali. So like this, many countries are comes in this continent, and this continent is known as the dark continent. Remember children, this continent is called as dark continent. Why it is called as a dark continent, children? Here, because of it is remained unexplored for a long period by the explorers, and due to the in this continent, the Sahara Desert of this continent, Sahara Desert acted as a natural barriers for European explorers. That's why they unable to explore more information about this continent. That's why they did not get more information about this continent. That's why it is called as a dark continent in the world. And expanding all hemisphere, this continent expanding all hemisphere means what, children? You look at this continent expanding all hemisphere means this covered area. See here, this Africa continent expand here, southern hemisphere, northern hemisphere, and eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. That's why it is expanding all hemisphere. And next features, it is bounds the all sides by the oceans and seas. Children, this Africa continent bounds the all sides oceans and seas. Look at here, in the south part of the Africa continent, which ocean is bounded here, South Atlantic Ocean. In the north side also oceans are there. That is here, this is north, here Arctic Ocean. In the east side Indian Ocean, and here north side Mediterranean Sea here, Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. In the north side, which oceans are bounded here, Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. So that's why it bounded all sides oceans and sea. And next feature of Africa continent, children, here it is separated from Asia. This is very important feature, children. It is separated from Asia by Suez Canal, and Europe by Strait of Gibraltar. This is very important. Remember this. It is separated from this Africa continent, separated by Suez Canal. So here first you have to understand what is the meaning of canal. What is the meaning of canal? See here, canal means, children, canal is a artificial waterways that constructed to allow the boats or ship inland. And here the meaning of the strait. The meaning of the strait is a narrow passage of water that connect to two seas. That is the meaning of the strait. Here the Suez Canal is a artificial waterways in Egypt country. Look at it here. In Egypt, here comes the Suez Canal. Here, this is the Suez Canal located in the Egypt country that connected to Mediterranean Sea. That canal connected to Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. This is the Suez Canal that connected to Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. And this is separated from Asia. This canal separated from Asia. And next is which one? The Africa continent is separated from Europe by Strait of Gibraltar. Strait of Gibraltar is a narrow strait that connected to Atlantic Ocean and separated to Gibraltar. Here they separated to Gibraltar. Children, here this is the, here they separated to Gibraltar. Here this is the Gibraltar from Morocco. So these are the one canal and another one strait. They are separated from the continent by other continent, Asia and Gibraltar. Now next feature of this Africa continent, it is the only continent more latitudes pass through here. It is the only continent, children, because in this continent we can see more latitudes are passed through here. You can see here once again, here how many latitudes pass through in this continent, Africa continent. Here 0 degree, the 0 degree latitude, this is equator. This one also pass through here. And Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north, this one also pass through here. And 23.5 south latitude, this Tropic of Capricorn also pass through here. So this one also 30 degree latitude. So and also the Greenwich meridian here, this is longitude also pass through this continent, Africa continent. So that's why it is the only continent more latitudes pass through here. So remember the children. And the last feature of this Africa continent is home of world longest river Nile and world largest desert Sahara. This is the very important. Children, you know the world, which is the world longest river, that is Nile river. So Nile river is very famous, that provide the more agriculture facility the many country. The Nile river flow towards the north side of the continent. At the Egypt, look at one side, children, where comes in Nile, this here, Egypt country, here, this is here, you can see the Nile river, this is the Nile river, this is flow towards the north side and join the Mediterranean Sea, flow towards the north side and join the Mediterranean Sea, this is the Nile river. And another one, largest desert, that is Sahara. Sahara is this, located here children. The nearest country here, which are the near Mauritania, in this country, here western side, here we can see the Sahara desert, which is the world hottest desert, which is the world hottest desert, that is Sahara, that is found in the continent of Africa. So these are the main features of Africa continent. So in this way we can discuss in next continent one by one in our next class. Thank you children. Have a nice day.